Autonomous mobile robots and drones rely on one critical capability to operate safely and reliably in real-world environments: accurate localization and navigation. When SLAM performance degrades, autonomy breaks down, causing drift, mission failure, safety risks, and costly downtime. As robotic systems move from controlled testing into live deployments, having access to a seasoned SLAM engineer becomes essential. Experience, not just algorithms, determines whether autonomy works consistently outside the lab. Guessr Inc. provides expert SLAM perception and autonomous navigation engineering to help robotics teams keep their systems reliable in real-world operations. Simultaneous localization and mapping enables robots and drones to understand their position while building a map of their environment using data from multiple sensors, including cameras and visual inertial odometry, 2D and 3D LiDAR, inertial measurement units, wheel odometry and motion models, GNSS when available. In practice, SLAM systems encounter challenges that rarely appear in simulations or short demos: accumulating drift along long-duration missions, sensor calibration shifts after transport or maintenance, changing light, dust, vegetation, or dynamic obstacles, localization loss during stops, tight turns, or rapid motion, inconsistent behavior across different robot platforms. These issues are not solved by simply changing libraries or adding sensors. They require deep understanding of state estimation, sensor fusion, and failure recovery, skills developed through real deployment experience. Many autonomy issues are subtle and environment dependent. Without an experienced SLAM engineer involved, teams often face long debugging cycles with unclear root causes, delayed deployments, and missed customer demonstrations, reduced confidence in autonomy performance, increased operational risk in the field. A seasoned SLAM engineer knows how to identify failure modes quickly, tune fusion pipelines effectively, and implement recovery strategies that keep systems operational under edge case conditions. Guessr Inc. specializes in practical SLAM and navigation engineering for robots and drones operating in real environments. Our work focuses on making autonomy robust, repeatable, and dependable, not just impressive in controlled demonstrations. Our core areas of expertise include multi-sensor SLAM and state estimation, sensor fusion tuning and stability optimization, drift mitigation and long-term localization reliability, localization failure diagnosis and recovery strategies, ROS and ROS2 based autonomy stacks, cross-platform support for AMRs, UGVs, and UAVs. Guessr Inc. works along internal teams to strengthen existing autonomy stacks and resolve issues that block deployment readiness. This expertise is valuable for teams that are deploying autonomous mobile robots in industrial, agriculture, or commercial environments, operating drones in GNSS denied or mixed indoor-outdoor conditions, supporting multiple sensor configurations or robot platforms, scaling from pilot programs to production deployments, and those experiencing SLAM issues that are difficult to reproduce in simulation. When autonomy must perform reliably under real-world constraints, Guessr Inc. becomes your competitive advantage. Strengthen your autonomy today with proven SLAM expertise. Guessr Inc. provides focused SLAM and autonomous navigation engineering to help your team deploy with confidence and operate reliably in the real world.